If you're experiencing issues with the graphics settings in League of Legends, this guide will help you troubleshoot and fix them effectively. Follow these steps to optimize your game settings. Step 1. Access the game client. Open League of Legends and log into your account. Once you're in the client, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Step 2. Navigate to graphics settings. In the settings menu, find the video tab. This section contains all the graphics settings for the game. Review the current settings to identify any that may not be suitable for your system. Step 3. Adjust graphics quality. In the video settings, you will see options for graphics quality. You can choose from low, medium, high, or custom. If you're experiencing lag or poor performance, try setting it to low or medium. Step 4. Change resolution. Still in the video settings, look for the resolution option. Ensure that the resolution matches your monitor's native resolution for the best visual quality. If you're having performance issues, consider lowering the resolution temporarily. Step 5. Save and test changes. After making your adjustments, click the Save button at the bottom of the settings menu. Launch your game to test the new graphics settings and see if the performance has improved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix and optimize your graphics settings in League of Legends. If issues persist, consider checking for driver updates or consulting the support forums for further assistance.